Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to another episode of Jersey Shore Beers and Brews Reviews. This time we got a over-the-top beer. It's made by Founders. Founders normally brews kick-ass beers, put you in a coma type beer. This one is called Más Agave Clásica Grapefruit. It says Imperial Gose style ale, brewed with agave and sea salt, aged in tequila barrels with added grapefruit. This comes in at 9.7%. You're only having like one or two of these. It says, the cocktail inspiration lives on. Our Imperial Gose is brewed with agave and sea salt, being aged in tequila barrels, but it doesn't end there. Once it's pulled from the barrels, it gets a dose of grapefruit juice to ramp up the tanginess. Sweet, salty, and mouth-puckering delish Más Agave Clásica Grapefruit. This one happened to be bottled on April 5th, 21. So it's over a year old. I'm sure it's good. I mean, I've had beers for several years that were good. Nice little label on it. You know, it's got a skeleton hand for like Halloween coming up. Looks exciting. Sounds exciting. Gonna be a little different. This is the last review of the day, that's for sure. Let's see what kind of head we got on there. Oh, this is a little darker. This is in the caramel color. Not a big head. You know, a decent head. Like, good. It's like perfect. Whole bottle in the pint glass. Fills it up. Head even. Like to see that. Good job, Founders. Should I expect anything different? And Founders, I don't know if you've ever had any of their beers, but they've got like Dirty Bastard and Backwoods Bastard. I mean, they're to kick your ass. They make some high octane beer and they're good. You know, they taste good. Let's see. What's it smell like? Man, this thing smells like tequila. I'm fucking scared. It definitely smells like tequila with the salt and the whole 9 yards. Good Lord. Salute. Wow. That is amazing. It definitely does not taste like a beer. I will say that. But I know that they brewed it. Tastes like a mixed drink. A lot of grapefruit. Tastes like tequila a little bit. Almost like a margarita-ish. 4 packs. 12-ounce bottles. This I'm going to push into the 8s. Good label. Didn't keep the head that long. Notice the head's gone. But they covered up the alcohol pretty well. If you're drinking these, you ain't hanging out. That's for sure. But they will go down. So will you. But yeah, I'm gonna give this one an 8.2. 8.2. They're in the 8s. This is something you definitely need to try at least once. If you pick up a single of it, that's great. If you pick up the 4-pack, I'm sure you can con your old lady into drinking one of these, because that ain't no problem going down. Like I said, you're gonna go down though. Good stuff. Impressive. I'll show you the label on the video. Anyway, enjoy guys. Peace out. We'll see you next time.